But I think that one thing that Morgan's videos have really taught me is that there is so much beauty in the little simple things in life, and approaching every part of your day like a cup of tea as something that is worth resting in and being present in and enjoying and savoring has just been so impactful for me. Good morning, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin. This is going to be a different video from what I've been making. I've been using this channel as a space to share my artist journey, and that's definitely a massive part of my life right now as an artist, but I wanted to make something a little bit different today, and maybe we'll make some art or some music later, so it'll still be kind of art adjacent, but I wanted to do like a cozy, super casual day in the life. And I love Morgan Long's videos so much. I've watched her for years now, and she is just a ray of sunshine and has been such an inspiration to me as both an artist and creator and just human. And I'm wearing my A Wondrous You sweater, which is so cozy. This is my first time wearing it. I ordered it from Morgan's shop a little bit ago. If you don't know Morgan, she makes the coziest, most comforting videos. I feel like I'm just hanging out with a longtime friend. I wish that Morgan and I lived close, because I honestly feel like we would be real life besties. I feel like we have so many things in common. So I have my heartwarming cup of tea. I hope you have yours as well. That's something that Morgan always says. And let's spend a day together. I had a really hard day yesterday in some ways. Like, my head was really hurting me. I struggle with migraines, and it was still a good day, and I still tried to do what I could to find joy, but today being gloomy is much needed because like light really impacts my migraine. So it feels nice to have an overcast, gloomy day. So I'm ready to just get some things done. I want to like go through some things in my shower and throw them out and put away laundry, and yeah, maybe we'll make some art, play some music, and I want to journal. But I think that one thing that Morgan's videos have really taught me is that there is so much beauty in the little simple things in life, and approaching every part of your day like a cup of tea as something that is worth resting in and being present in and enjoying and savoring has just been so impactful for me. So I'm drinking this lavender cream Earl Grey tea. It's so delicious. It's so summery. And I'm wearing my cozy sweater and we're just gonna have a really cozy day. And I'm very excited. So get your heartwarming cup of tea and let's figure out what we're gonna do today together. Okay, I just finished my morning pages and some June setup. I went through some things I want to get done this month and just kind of set up my calendar with appointments and things that I have. And I think I'm going to see if my Spotify audiobook credits have refreshed because I've been listening to the Akatar series and I'm really obsessed. I'm on the 3rd book and I've been finding that reading it on my Kindle at night and listening to it as an audiobook during the day has been amazing. And the Spotify membership now has audiobook credits included, but I went through them so fast because of how much I was listening to it. So I think they've refreshed, so I'm gonna try that out, and then I think I'm gonna take you along with me while we get some laundry put away and some cleaning done and organizing done in the bathroom. So cheers. My tea isn't very warm. I should probably go heat it up, but it's so delicious. I'm so excited to use this. I've been using the native deodorant. Why is it not focusing? I've been using the native deodorant in this scent, the citrus and herbal musk, and it is so amazing. So I'm very excited about this. Hey y'all. So I just spent some time downstairs playing some music on piano and singing, and it was really nice, but now I'm getting a migraine. So I got this trusted migraine cap on, and I made a matcha latte. Welcome back. It is the next day. So yesterday afternoon, I just had such a hard time focusing, and sometimes that happens. Sometimes I just have a really hard time focusing and I'm not present, so I decided to turn it off and I just had a rest, and I did a little bit of art on my iPad, and my partner and I just had a nice night at home. We had this delicious strawberry shortcake that I'm so obsessed with, and to me it's so spring summer. And this morning I went on a garden walk and my garden is looking so good. It's blooming. It's another gloomy day, and then I walked my dog, and then I had an appointment, and I just went to HomeSense Marshalls real quick just to get a garbage can. Super random, but I ended up getting two things that I wanted to show you. So I'll save this for last. I got this paint set, and it was $16.99, and it's acrylic paints, and I love these Malt acrylic paints. They're so affordable, and I have like a pastel set of these, and I have them in this tub in my studio, and I love them so much. So I wanted to get these colors because having darker colors is so versatile because you can mix and make lighter colors, but I like having these for like the depth. And also, I know fall is still so far away, and I'm trying to just be present in the season that's at hand, but I know that these colors will be so amazing to paint some fall pieces to decorate my studio, because you know I'm gonna redecorate it for the fall. And this is the thing that I am the most excited about. Okay, I can't wait to show you. It is, so I love tea, like afternoon tea. I love all things tea, loose leaf tea, going for tea, having tea at home. And I got a very autumnal teacup this last fall from a little tea house. They had a bunch of thrifted teacups, and I was like, can I buy this off of you? It is the perfect fall mug. It is so magical. So I wanted to get a spring summer one, or spring and a summer one eventually, but I found the most perfect teacup and saucer at HomeSense Marshalls, and it is so summery, like so summery and beautiful. And it has strawberries and flowers. Okay, I have to get the teacup out. And there's a little bumblebee. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm so obsessed with it. So here it is. I'll have to show you more close up, but I'm gonna make a cup of this after I eat lunch, of that lavender cream Earl Grey tea, and I'm gonna just do some dishes. And then I think I just want to have a really present, relaxing afternoon. I was feeling really low yesterday afternoon, and sometimes that happens. It's just the ebbs and flows. One thing Morgan has talked about a lot on her channel that I really love and find just so inspiring and impactful is that we're not always happy. We're not supposed to always be happy all of the time, and like not everyone is okay all the time. And that's okay, that's real. Like I could have just edited everything from yesterday together and wrapped it up, but I don't know, it's just real life. I want to be like transparent on here that some days do not go how you had hoped, and if you're going through struggles, that's okay, you're not alone. And yeah, let's have some lunch and do some dishes, and then make a cup of tea in our brand new summer teacup. I just love it so much. You just wake up from a nap, Scotty. I love you. Hi, Mr. Scope. next video right here. Thank you so much for coming along for these cozy 2 rainy days. The sun is actually coming out, so it feels like a very full circle moment. Oh, my baby. Do you want to give huggies? Huggies? Okay. This is Scout, by the way, my golden retriever. He'll be 4 in the fall. He's amazing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're not subscribed to Morgan Long, you need to go subscribe to her immediately. I love her content so much. And in very Morgan fashion, to close out the Morgan inspired vlog, I'm gonna leave you with Morgan's wise words. Believe in yourself, a wondrous you, or a wondrous Lou, because I call him Lou all the time. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Sweet boy. Okay, let's go finish that book and drink